In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix alerts not working in Streamlabs desktop. So the thing you want to do is actually go inside settings once you're inside Streamlabs, and then check over here where it says advanced, so simply click on it. And then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page to where it says sources, enable browser source hardware acceleration requires a restart. Now, in case your alerts are not working, this is one of the easiest fixes. All you want to do is uncheck this check mark over here and click on done. And once you've pressed this, you want to log out of your Streamlabs and close it down. And if you want to, you can also restart your computer so the things really go into effect. And then open up your computer again, open up Streamlabs, log in and see if your alerts are working. And they should be, since this is one of the easiest and actually only fixes. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and see you later.